topic is volcanoes. Before explaining the topic, let me give you some introduction. Volcanicity is a process which involves the intrusion of magma in the earth crust or the extrusion of such molten material into the earth's surface. This process gives rise to volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions are one of the Earth's most dramatic and violent agents of change. Not only can powerful explosive eruptions disrupt the life and property of the people, they may alter the existing features of the land surface within tens of kilometers around the volcano periodically and cause complete destruction. However, at times volcanoes have a constructive influence on the Earth's surface and may provide a deeper insight in the interior of the Earth. A volcano is a vent or opening in the crust of the earth connected by a conduit to an underlying magma chamber from which molten lava, volcanic gases and steams are ejected. It is usually in the form of a cone or dome according to the material ejected. Origin of volcano. The belief that volcanoes have their origin in the hot liquid interior of the earth is now considered to be wrong. From recent observation in the mines, etc., it has been found that the temperature increases with an average rise of about 1 degree Celsius for each 32 meter of descent, and as such at a depth of 60 miles, the temperature would be high enough to liquefy a rock. But the immense pressure due to the weight of the earth's crust rises the melting point, and it is probable that even at such high temperature, the rocks remain solid. It is now suggested that number 1, there is a liquid layer between the solid crust of the earth and a solid and very hot central core. Number 2, subterranean heat is caused by the pressure due to rock folding and due to chemical action between the components of the rocks, and this heat helps to produce liquefaction of rock. The lighter lava would tend to rise above the solid rock until it comes near to the surface, when lateral pressure might cause it to flow out from the weaker point of the earth crust. The phenomenon of volcanism can be divided into 2 types. Number 1, intrusion, and number 2, extrusion. Intrusion type of landform occurs when lava solidifies within the earth crust and gives rise to various shapes and forms. In extrusive types of landform, the lava comes out of the earth crust and solidifies into magma in various shapes and forms. Intrusive forms. The most important intrusive forms include batholith, laccolith, sills, dikes, lopoliths and falcoliths. Batholith rocks form the base of the mountain. They are large, coarse-grained, igneous landmass which are formed after the erosion of upper-lying landmasses from the unweathered part of hard rock. Laccolith, there is large sill of acid lava which solidifies slowly, giving it a dome shape. Sills, when lava solidifies before coming out between the horizontal layers of parent rock. Dikes, when magma solidifies in vertical columns of the bed rocks, they are called dikes. Lopoliths, when lava solidifies in shallow basins in the shape of saucer, it is called lopoliths. Falcoliths, these are dome shaped and are formed when acid lava solidifies on an anticline or on the base of syncline. Extrusive forms. Ash and cinder cones. These are built when eruptions are of explosive type. Growth of an ash or cinder cone begins around a crater. It is not very high. Lava dome. It is formed when viscous lava solidifies quickly and forms a steep-sided cone. Lava solidifies in the spine or plug. Sometimes spine is exposed due to denudation. Lava shields. The Hawaii volcanoes are excellent examples of basalt domes or shields. For example, Mount Etna. Composite or stratocone. A stratovolcano is characterized by alternate sheets of lava and pyroclastic material. It experiences alternate periods of explosive quiet eruption. Lava solidifies to form dikes. They are composed of more than one vent. The cone throws out the rock fragments and magma may escape from another vent at the same time. For example, Fujiyama in Japan, Vesuvius in Italy, Popocatépetl in Mexico, Cotopaxi in Ecuador and Mayon in Philippines. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.